Are you looking to get more views on your YouTube videos? One easy way to do that is to improve your video thumbnails. In this video, I will explain what is the YouTube thumbnail and why it is so important in YouTube video. Let's start the video. Welcome to Star Technology 5G. What is thumbnail? The term thumbnail originated with still images. A thumbnail was a smaller version of a full digital image that could easily be viewed while browsing a number of images. What is video thumbnail? A video thumbnail is a still image that acts as the preview image for your video. It's kind of like a book cover. And, like a book cover, it should entice a potential viewer to want to see more. For example, these are all thumbnails of the videos. That tells the viewers what the video is about. Why are video thumbnails important? A great video thumbnail can make all the difference when it comes to a viewer clicking through to your video. It's a super easy way to give your video a professional look. If you've spent any time on YouTube, you've likely seen dozens if not hundreds of cool thumbnails. Exciting graphics, people smiling or just looking cool and inviting. A good thumbnail makes your video more viewable. Where to upload a thumbnail? Open YouTube Studio. If you upload a video, video is uploading. Scroll down. Thumbnail. Select or upload a picture that shows what's in your video. A good thumbnail stands out and draws viewers' attention. From here you can upload your thumbnail. By default, if you don't choose and upload a thumbnail for your video, YouTube will pick one for you from various still shots from your video. It will be probably just some random still image from the video. You can select any one of these images. It will work as a thumbnail for your video. The thumbnail is your audience's first impression of your content. You should want to make it a good one. A custom thumbnail gives you an opportunity to really sell your video. The thumbnail gives your audience a reason to watch your video, especially if your video is one of many on the same subject. So pay attention when you are designing a video thumbnail. How to design a thumbnail. Your video's thumbnail is just as important as its title when it comes to attracting views. Thumbnails draw the attention of potential viewers and help them decide which video they should ultimately decide to watch, so make your thumbnail attractive. Open Paint 3D. Click on New. When you are designing a thumbnail, keep the following points in your mind. Keep it simple. YouTube thumbnails are small. And they're even smaller when they're viewed on a mobile device. That's why you should try to avoid adding too much text or too small of text. People won't be able to read it, and thus wasting valuable thumbnail real estate. So keep it simple and viewable. Click on Menu. Insert. Select Face Picture. Open. Use close-ups of faces. Everyone tries to show faces or images. Even the one that uses a cartoon person should clearly show the face. And, all of the faces or images should clearly be conveying the emotion. You don't want your subject's face to look bland or emotionless. So always try to use a clear face for your thumbnail. Adjust its size and location. Click on Menu. Insert. Select your channel logo. Open. Pay attention to logo placement. Adding your logo to your YouTube thumbnails is a good idea. It can help with brand awareness. However, how and where you place your logo on your thumbnails is important. Adding your logo to the corner of the thumbnail image works well, especially if you have other text on your thumbnail. Adjust its size and location. Add text. Use clear and bold text. You want anyone seeing your video thumbnail to instantly know what it's about. Don't make them hunt for the title. So do not add too much titles into thumbnail. Try to shorten your title to just a few short words, or if possible, you can simply use only a still image with a logo. Select text format. New Time Roman. Reduce text size. Adjust its size and location. How to earn money from YouTube. Move into middle. Use color. Color can make all the difference. Even thumbnails with light background can benefit from a pop of color. So always try to use bright color for your background and use dark color for your text. Now I want to make money more prominent, so I will change its color. And I also want to change the YouTube color. OK. Add text. How to design a thumbnail for. Adjust its size and location. My main focus on thumbnail, so I want to make it more prominent. I will change its color. Increase text size. And reduce its size. OK. Click on menu. Insert. Select YouTube logo. Open. Adjust its size and location. Now add one more text. Video. Adjust its size and location. Change its color. Bold text. Thumbnail is ready. It's look good. Here is my channel logo. How to earn money from YouTube. That is the main title of my tutorial. How to design a thumbnail for a YouTube video. That is the topic of my video. And I used the YouTube logo, so everyone knows this video belongs to YouTube. And finally, I used a smiling face that shows she is earning money from YouTube. Finally, be consistent. This is especially true if you're trying grow a channel. Use consistent colors or themes in thumbnails so that fans will always know which ones are yours, no matter how many other videos show up in the search results. When you design the YouTube thumbnail picture next time, please keep all points in mind. It will give you more views and subscribers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology. Please like and share the video.